is going to be on how to make money online. Yes, this channel will show people how to make money online, how to get passive income, the legit way, the authentic, the genuine way to make money online. Okay, so if you are in this channel, if you are here for the first time, you're welcome once again. This is iTech. Are the ways that I'm using to earn money online every day. So if you want to make money online every day like I do, you just have to watch this video. In this video, I'm going to introduce to you this is the ebook that I've come out with based on my experience on making money online. So I have come out with a brand new ebook, and this ebook is going to help everyone who wants to make money online. So this book is about money hacks. Yes, money hack. That is the 5 legit ways to make money online. That is the title of the book. So sweet. This book is very good for everyone who wants to make money online. So I have pinned the downloadable link of the book in the description box, and also I'll pin it in the comment section so that you can just tap on it. Just go to the site. I just selling this book on seller.com, so you just go there and get a copy for your. It's very cheap. It's even less than $2, so you can get one for yourself. Then you just go through it, study it well, and put it into practice, and you will thank me later. So without wasting much of your time, just get your copy of this ebook that I'm talking about by Sir Isaac. See you in the next video. Bye bye.